Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2015 government pass question. Question number 43 says, which of the following was a revenue allocation commission? Which of the following was a revenue allocation commission? And when we talk of commission, commission means set of people called body for a specific governmental assignment. So the commission that was set up, that is group of people that was set up to look into revenue allocation, that is what we are talking about. Option A say Udoji Commission. Udoji Commission was set up on civil service. Take note of that. Then Raceman Commission. Raceman Commission was set up on revenue allocation. The Affliate Commission was also set up on review of civil service. The Wilkins Commission was also on civil service. So the commission that was set up to look into revenue allocation is option B, Raceman Commission. So option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.